So this is the movement on our New Zealand JPY. So make sure you subscribe if you are yet to subscribe. Follow the Telegram channel also so you will not miss out on the next update. So let's start with our trend on our New Zealand JPY. First thing first, before we take a trade, we need to know what a trend is. So basically, in a market movement, right, we tend to have three movements, which is either an uptrend move, which is a market trending to the upside, or market is trending to the downside, which is a downtrend move, or market is literally giving us a sideways movement, which is a ranging market move. When you take a look at this New Zealand dollar JPY, it is very clear that this is an uptrend move. Market is trending to the upside. So this is our first high, and this is our higher low. Market was able to push up again to form a new higher high, and here comes the higher low. Market was again push up to form a new higher high, and here comes the higher low. Market was able to push up one more time again to form a new higher high, and here comes the higher low. Now this is our high, and a little bit of an higher low, right? The market's played here. So this is also our higher high, and right now we should be expecting New Zealand dollar JPY to give us an higher low. So guys, expect it to actually at least come to give us an higher low to a level of 92. We are currently trading at 93, right? So we should be expecting New Zealand dollar JPY to pull back to a level of at least 92 or a level of 92 points or a level of 93.000. So within a level of 92 or a level of 93.000, that is where we should be anticipating for a pullback to for our New Zealand dollar JPY. So expect it to pull back. If it is able to, if market eventually give us a pullback, I'm going to now cover an update and tell you guys what you should be expecting next on your New Zealand dollar JPY.